Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the major update on Claude AI. They recently published a new update where you're handing control over to the system, to the cloud, to do some intelligent tasks on your computer, 100% automatic.
Quickly realizes that the ad for the company isn't actually in the spreadsheet. So the first thing it does is it swaps over to a CRM and searches for the company we're interested in. Luckily, we get a search match, and Claude then starts scrolling through the page looking for all the information it needs to fill out this form.
You're not doing anything manually, you're just commanding some intelligent functions such as create an Excel sheet and do some data analysis on X data stuff. It can even do some trading for you with your commands. You're just basically cutting out the middleman. In this case, the middleman is you because you are the one who's doing the manual actions. So you're just cutting out the middleman and giving directly into the system your commands, and the system is just does these tasks automatically for you. So it is fascinating and just reminds me of one of my projects, which is Amazon AI voice bot. I coded my voice bot to do some intelligent functions and tasks, intelligent tasks for scrolling and on Amazon, looking for products and finding the best fitting product for my needs. However, I have some predefined functions, but in this case, Cloud is basically taking a screenshots of your screen and sending to the chatbot according to your prompts. It will be doing some automations on your screen by using your keyboard and mouse cursor. How does that work? It's just how it works. I didn't buy it because I already have the ChatGPT Plus. I won't be paying another $20 for the fucking premium membership of Claude AI. I wish I could, but $20 for GPT is sufficient for me for now. So I just explained how it works. It's fascinating. It's amazing. I've been actually thinking to create something similar to this. However, right now I'm really busy with my bachelor thesis and I'm juggling my work and my final year right now, and just cost me a lot of it's just cost me a lot of mental health. Anyway, so this is Cloud AI here. Like I said, I don't have the premium membership, but I just summarize how it works. It just takes the screenshots of your screen and sending into the system to make some intelligent tasks, and just creates, I think in the background, just creates some playwright functions to do these actions that you provided for Cloud. So let me just take a look at my oops. I have my OpenAI key here. Let me just give me a sec. Okay, we're safe to go. So this is one of my projects. I actually mentioned it seconds ago. This is an AI voice bot where you can do some also intelligent tasks. For example, do some product. But like I said, these are the predefined functions in my code. So whenever I ask something that can relate to the product analysis, it just runs in the background to do the tasks. However, for Cloud, the Cloud is actually creating these kind of functions on the spot. Whenever you ask something, for example, create an Excel sheet. Here as you can see, I don't have any functions for creating an Excel sheet. So, but on the other hand, we have Cloud that is just creating these kind of functions on the spot whenever you ask for it. For example, I have a function for finding the products on Amazon. As you can see, I defined it here as a tool, and I'm also creating some actions to do my function to do whatever I want. First, you can find the product. This is the function. I predefined and coded all of things. Here, as you can see, I'm just taking the control, just giving the control over oh my god, bro. Right now, giving the control of my keyboard and mouse to my system to do some automated processes. Here, as you can see, this is the one that just leads my mouse cursor to search results. And this is my model, blah, blah, blah. And it's done. So it is actually very similar to Cloud's new update. However, Cloud is not open source. I'm actually right now planning to do very similar to Cloud's new update because I think it's very doable to create the functions on spot whenever they ask something. For example, we won't have any predefined functions in our future open source tool, right? We will be creating these functions on spot whenever the users ask for anything, we will be creating it. But there's only one catch during the whole process, which is I don't know how to create a chain that does these kind of consecutive actions, because whenever someone asks about something, that will be a chain of actions. First, for example, it's going to take a screenshot. It's going to take a screenshot. Once it's done with the first step, that will be also second and third, maybe fourth, fifth, it goes on, which means we have a lot of consecutive actions that we'll be doing in order. I don't know how to create something like that, but we will figure it out. And just realize it's obsolete here. Anyway, so and also one caveat here is also another caveat. There's another catch. So as I said it's gonna be open source. Yeah, it's gonna be open source, but doesn't mean it's gonna be free because we will be taking screenshots and sending it to the GPT. In our case, it will be GPT model. And GPT model will be analyzing the image and in order to create some functions to do whatever we want. However, it can be free unless we're using open source AI model, and this is also almost impossible because it requires a lot of GPU powers to run a local LLM model in your computer. So maybe we will be just requiring an OpenAI key to run the entire system. It will be open source. I will be publishing it on on GitHub. However, it can't be free. First things first, it just it will be requiring your OpenAI key to do actions to create a beautiful system. The OpenAI key. Anyway, yeah, that was it. That was a pretty nice update. I liked it. This new update really incentivizes me to buy the premium plan. However, we'll continue with the ChatGPT Plus, which is the best. Yeah. Anyway, that was pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Take care.